Hey guys, you know who it is. It's your boy Alex, Audio Tech. Yesterday I made a mistake and I said Alex Audio Tech Review when that's my other channel. But yeah, let's get this DINDIN speaker unboxed. The original price was $130 and I paid $63 with taxes. Right now it's on sale. Kind of disappointed because I hate when people put pictures of something and it looks really big and then when you actually buy it, it's small. Really small, because you see how on here it looks really big on her hand. These are the pictures that they got on Amazon. But anyway, the DINDIN speaker. Enjoy freedom, enjoy music. Okay, microphone, boost up button, technology, hi-fi. I don't know what that is. And then another thing is, how can you sell this at the beach, but this speaker's not water resistant? Like, that's just crazy to me. All right, let's see what we got here. We got a 5,000 milliamp battery. You got Bluetooth 5.3. That means you could be 100 feet away from the speaker without any interruptions. It's charge time, 6 hours. Audio output power, 230 watts equaling 60 watt subwoofers. And I know it has a tweeter in the middle. Okay, and then it has 20 and 20 hertz. And then weight is 3.5 pounds. So it's a little heavy speaker though. All right, so this is the front, which doesn't make any damn sense. This should be the front. This is the back though. Yeah, whatever. Let's get this thing unboxed, guys. So what comes in the box? We got the aux cord, of course, and then we got the USB type A to USB type C, because I'm guessing this is this could be used as a power bank. Okay. Here goes the speaker. That's the back of it. This is the front of it right here. Okay, so let's just get this stuff off of it. Okay, here it goes. It's pretty heavy. Okay, so here we got the power button. I don't know what button that is. DC button, volume up, pause and play, and volume down button. I'm guessing after you turn it on, it'll be highlighted more better. So hold on, guys. Let me adjust the camera so you guys can see this little speaker better. I hate my tripod. It wants to act up sometimes. So anyway, here we go. What's in here? We got the aux right here. No, aux right here. We got to listen to it through 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. We got the microphone right here. We got the USB-C to charge it, and we got the USB Type A for reverse wireless charging. And right here, I guess it shows you the signals of battery life. Okay, so let's power this bad boy up.
Power on, Bluetooth mode.
There we go. And yeah, it shows you the battery life power right here. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different lights. So let's see how loud this little speaker really is. Let's sync it with my iPhone 15 Pro real quick, guys. Let's see. And this one doesn't have no light show, so I don't need to turn off the light to give you guys any special effects to see how good it performs. Okay. Okay, so it comes out under DINDIN 007. That's the Bluetooth name. DINDIN 007. So there we go. Now let's play some non-copyrighted music. Go to YouTube and look for my favorite song. My favorite song. Where's it at? My favorite song. What the heck? Now I'm searching it up and it doesn't come out. Hold on, guys. Can't believe I can't find it now. That's crazy. Let's see what this one is.
I'm probably the only person online who shares every single one of my trades completely for free. I live...
And YouTube, copyright-free music. I don't want no beef with you guys.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette.
And this one's supposed to have 80 watts
step
power,
by
guys.
step, the clock
Halfway.
is ticking, but there's no time for relax. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Thailand.
And of course, it has the little hole right here for the subwoofer.
We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky.
Let's go 100%, guys.
We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
Nice song, like it. This speaker does have like nice bass. You know, you can't, I mean, there's a subwoofer. It has a subwoofer, 2 subwoofers and a tweeter. So it doesn't have no passive radiators. So the air comes out of here for the subwoofer bass. So it does create a nice amount of bass for such a small speaker. Such a small speaker. I mean, at $130, a lot of people on Amazon have bought it. Like, it has a lot of great reviews. But right now, at $63, if you want a, you know, light speaker that sounds loud and it sounds good and you can hear the music really good, I could imagine in non-copyrighted music, it's gonna sound amazing. This is a good buy. Seriously, I'm blown away by such a small speaker and the sound it projects. And you guys heard the voice, you know, it just sounds great. It sounds really, really good. And I don't know what happened to my favorite song. I guess they took it out. Let me see this one.
For over 17 years, I had an abusive relationship with the P word, and logically, I knew that it was detrimental to my relationship with my
Let's bump it all the way to 100 again. Let's try this one.
There's a hidden muscle that can make changing chords on guitar as easy as pushing a button. And it's not a muscle in
Not copyrighted. Oh, Jesus. I took out the song because I'm looking for my favorite song I like to play for you guys, and I'm upset that I can't find it. Oh, because I'm on my... Jesus Christ. No wonder I couldn't find the song. Let me see. Where's it? Here we go. Is this it? No, that's not it. I was at my other YouTube channel, and I'm always listening to the song. Here we go. My favorite song, baby. Let's listen to this jam. test the speaker out with copyrighted music, so I'm definitely going to edit the video. So I'm gonna stop it right now, because you know, if I play it copyrighted music, then basically the video's ruined. So I'm gonna play some copyrighted music on it, and I'll let you guys know how it performed, if it was louder, if it was not louder. It says it has a bassed up button. Oh, it's right here. I guess it's already turned on, or I just turned it on. I think I just turned it on. So let's just rewind this real quick to see how loud, if it sounds louder. Yeah, guys, so it does sound louder. The bass boost button does make a difference on most of these speakers, and this is one of them. So, yeah, it packs a punch for a little speaker. That's why I see all these great reviews for it on Amazon. I always like to review things on Amazon and see what people are saying, you know, people that actually buy the products before I actually buy them. And this is one that people love. They got all 5 stars across the board. And if I do a review, it's going to have 5 stars too, because the thing is amazing. So the affiliate link, remember, will be pinned down in the comment section down below for this DINDIN speaker, Bluetooth portable wireless speaker. This thing has Bluetooth 5.3. It's 80 watts of raw power. You add that boost button, you turn it on, and it's just like all up in your face. and it creates better sounding bass. So like I said, let me play in some copyrighted music, and I'll be right back. All right, guys. The speaker sounds great. I'm back. It sounds even a little bit louder on copyrighted music. Of course, I love it. I don't regret the purchase at all. Just the sound, man. The sound quality to me is amazing. I don't hear no distortion with any genre of music. That's why I wanted to play all this music for you guys to see, and that's what I'm gonna start doing with every speaker I unbox or even review. Try different music, copyright-free music on YouTube to see how it sounds, to see if I hear any distortion or anything like that. I didn't hear no distortion. This little speaker kicks ass. So this will be a great gift for mom, grandma, your brother, your father, your best friend, your significant other, your kid. You know, it's just a loud speaker. Peak watt, 80 watts. I see why it says peak wattage at 80 watts. Definitely a great speaker with 20-hour battery life. It says at 80%, it'll give you like 7 hours. And at 100%, I'm pretty sure it says 4 hours. But I'm pretty sure you'll get more than 4 hours out of this speaker at 100%. Because it is a 20 watt-hour speaker. It has a 5,000 milliamp battery. But it says 5,000, but it's got to be bigger than a cell phone battery. Because the speaker's bigger. It's going to take more power. So yeah, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you to the new subscribers. Thank you for the support. Keep watching, and I'll keep pushing out this content. Take care, God bless, and be safe. And I'm definitely going to catch you guys on the next one. You all ready? And thank you for watching.